welcome back to our channel. We are at the Marriott Long Wharf in Boston, Massachusetts, and we are in a City View King, right? City View King. So once you enter the door, there's a nice little entryway light here, and you can drop off your shoes over here, put some clothes in the drawers. You can put your luggage up here as well. Lots of hangers, lots of space, ironing board. It's set up pretty nicely. It's one of their higher end Marriott, so it has more amenities and different things, different touches to it. In here we have the safe and a mini fridge, and I think it's just a fridge. Yeah, it's definitely just a fridge, but it's completely empty, so you can put anything in it. It's small. They have a nice Keurig here with no K-cups. So, wait.
Yeah,
oh, they're
small,
different. They're
yeah.
different. They're like compound ones. Okay, there's the K cups there. So it looks nice. I can't even. Okay. And ice bucket up top, and then off to the left-hand side we have the bathroom. It looks pretty nice. I like the white marble. It's a decent-sized sink. You can put a lot on here as well. They have lotion, body soap, 2 glasses. What's in here? Soap, makeup remover. They have that in there as well. And they look like they stocked the towels pretty well also. It looks like a decent amount. And the shower is very large too. It's definitely, it could be a 2-person shower. It's very large. So it's really nice. Yep. And James is going to take over from here.
So the shower, bathroom door closes into a full-length mirror, which is nice. Nice king-size bed, nice linen on the bed. It has a nice little patterns. The room's pretty nautical feel. It's in a nautical. It's like in the pier of Boston, so it's nice little area. It's a nice area. It's real nautical, like I said. So the brown and blue, which is typical nautical colors. Even the lampshades look nautical. The chair, the pillows. The accents are real nice in the room. Nice TV. Nice. I don't know what you call it behind it, but very nice. Umbrella. That's nice. That's
good.
And
little coat rack.
Coat rack. Small desk here. Again, still has a nautical feel. Feels like you're kind of like in a cruise ship in a way. The room.
Yeah.
It is an adjoining room, but it's locked. Right there. And over here is our view. I wish this long thing wasn't here, so then we'd be closer to the view.
I know.
Still, it's a nice view.
It's still a pretty view, though.
Still a nice, pretty view.
It's nice and cool. It's pretty out too.
Yeah,
it's nice and bright. It's pretty warm too.
Overall, this hotel goes for anywhere from, I'd say, high 300s to 600s a night, give or take. We got a discount through it, but normally those are the rates. I'd say 3 to 650 tonight's was online if you booked. Normally it was about $580, I think. So it is a very expensive hotel. As a restaurant property, I think the main reason you're paying, besides the nice room and lobby and everything, is the area. The area is beautiful. It's a very expensive area, and it's very central to everything. I really don't think you need your car. You can park in the garage. Valley was
there's a garage right across there. That building right there.
Yeah, it's 40 a night. Parking there.
Yeah, 49. It's right there. It's like a minute walk, so it's definitely the most convenient one if you don't want to do valet and spend a little more.
Yeah, it's a great area. There's a chart house, there's illegal seafood, there's a restaurant in this hotel, so there's 3 seafood-inspired restaurants within walking distance, and then there's a touch of Starbucks, touch of shopping down the road, and then here's the New England Aquarium, which is perfect location.
Oh yeah, right there.
Right there. So I think, like I said, the room is beautiful, the hotel is beautiful. I would pay maybe $300 a night for this, give or take, but the location adds the other $200 a night, I guess, because the location is very, very good.
Exactly, and it looks clean to the eye. We haven't really, because we just came in, so we didn't really check it out fully yet. But it looks clean when you first look at it. So I'm sure it is, because usually you'll find something right away if it is going to be some kind of issue. It just looks like the bed wasn't made the greatest, but everything else looks good.
Yeah, a little sloppy the bed.
Yeah, but everything else looks good though.
Overall, good room. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you.